Hello, today I will show you how to modify the sound for Cyber Registration game. Okay, first of all, you must have you must have a Unity 20 2017 software and the game SDK to be able to work. Then you open Unity SBD Legacy SDK Community Address, click Game Rest SDK Weapon Setup, Weapon Setup, Unity, click. Why? Loading. Okay. Um, then you go to oh, sorry. Lag. Then you go to stress set. Then you go to game press SDK audio. Okay. Then click on anything game drummer. Then click to appear like this. Okay. Then click on the sound on the train. On the train. For example, reduce. I choose the sound name Hindos WA is the sound when killing the enemy. Then drag the sound on one to replace. Sorry. When clicking on the sound and then right click on right mouse. And select show in Explorer. Click show in Explorer. Okay. Okay. Then drag the sound you want to replace in the folder users. Open it and click replace. Okay. Note that the replacement sound must have the same name as the original sounds. Then press Escape re-enter Unity to see the result. After that, okay, resume. Okay. After that, go zip build to build standalone EBC Android. Okay. After that, go zip build to build Sunbank file to put in the game. After build is finished, its file will be here as well as center Android custom Sunbank standalone custom Sunbank. Okay, goodbye, see you later.